Ilaveezhapoonchira. Just the name itself carries a poetic rhythm, evoking the image of a mystical land untouched by time. Nestled in the Kottayam district of Kerala, this breathtaking hill station is where the sky meets the earth in an endless embrace, and silence speaks louder than words. A valley without leaves, yet overflowing with life. The name Ilaveezhapoonchira translates to valley where leaves do not fall, an enchanting reference to the absence of trees at its peak. But don't mistake this for barrenness. Instead, the landscape unfolds like a painting. Rolling hills stretch endlessly, draped in lush green meadows, kissed by the golden hues of sunrise and sunset. It's as if nature itself has opened its heart wide, offering an unhindered panoramic view of the world below. Whispers of the wind, tales of the clouds. This is not just a place, it's an experience. Stand atop one of the gentle hillocks, and you'll feel the wind whispering secrets from the distant past. Monsoon clouds descend like a celestial veil, wrapping the hills in a surreal mist, making you feel as though you've stepped into a dream. Here, the sky is not a distant entity. It walks beside you, embraces you, and sometimes even engulfs you whole. A hidden gem of serenity. Unlike the crowded hill stations that lose their soul to commercialization, Ilaveezhapoonchira remains pure, untouched, and intimate. There are no bustling tourist shops, no honking vehicles, just the unfiltered melody of nature. The sunrises here are painted with shades of fire and serenity, while the sunsets melt into a cascade of colors that make your heart ache with their beauty. Legends that linger in the air. Like every place of extraordinary beauty, Ilaveezhapoonchira has its myths. It is said that this was once a bathing place for the celestial maidens of the Hindu epics, a place so serene that even the gods chose it for their moments of peace. Whether one believes in legends or not, there's an undeniable divinity in the air, something that touches the soul in ways words cannot explain.
അങ്ങനെ ഷെഫ് മാറിയിരിക്കുകയാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ ഉള്ളത് സെബിൻ ഷെഫ് ഷെഫുള്ള സെബിൻ
Reaching Ilaveezhapoonchira is an adventure in itself. The winding roads, often lined with wildflowers, lead you higher and higher, as if urging you to leave behind the worries of everyday life. And when you finally stand atop its heights, looking at the world spread beneath like a vast green quilt, you realize you are not just in a place, you are in a feeling of freedom, a feeling of peace, a feeling of eternity.
അങ്ങനെ നമ്മുടെ ടെന്റിലെ ജീവിതമാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഇലവീഴാപൂഞ്ചിറയിൽ ടെന്റിനുള്ളിൽ 3 പേർ.